So children, life expectancy means expected lifespan of a citizen in a particular given country. So children, increase in life expectancy is an indicator of development of society. Understood? Increase in life expectancy is an indicator of development of a society. Improvement in medical facilities, progress in medical field, access to nutritious food lead, leads to an increase in average life expectancy. In the most of developing countries, life expectancy is still less, but with socio-economic development it is increasing. So children, there is relationship between increase in life expectancy and growth of population. Increase in life expectancy and low death rate and high birth rate. Life expectancy is directly related to availability of medical facilities, progress in medical science, speedy transportation facilities, availability of nutritious food, etc. Thus, increase in life expectancy leads to high growth of population. Understood, understood children? Life expectancy directly depends upon the medical facilities. Nowadays, we know that a person is expected to live up to 90 years because of growing facilities, medical facilities, nutritious food, quick medical help or assistance. So these are the things. Now the people, they have become more aware about their health issues. They are taking care of themselves, they are taking medicines, they are doing exercise, they are very fitness, they are very particular about their physical fitness. So as a result, life expectancy is growing, and this is going to add, and this life expectancy leads to high growth rate of population. Understood? This is indirectly or directly they are related to each other. So it is an also indicator of development of the society. So now children, we have already studied about human development index. In that we saw in our previous class that the developing countries or the developed countries of the west and developing countries of the east, why there is difference between, why there is so much indifference in this life expectancy rate, because of the presence of various facilities, lack of education, lack of awareness, lack of medical facilities. So these are the factors which is very much responsible for the we can say for life expectancy. So it is very important factor of population growth. That means that we Indians live for 60 years on an average. We Indians, we live for 60 years on an average. Matlab, this is a roughly calculation. And Brazilians live for 75 years. Understood? So life expectancy, this graph is given in your textbook also. Please go through this graph figure, page number 43, figure 6.6. This is very important. And the life expectancy of India was around 41 years in 1960. 1960 तब medical facilities इतना develop नहीं हुआ था, but now it has increased. You know already that what are the condition, what are the major factors which is contributing in growing number of life expectancy, or in the percentage of more life expectancy of Indians or people all over the world. But now it has increased, it will continue to increase in future. So now you are supposed to make out what are the condition which add to the increased number of life expectancy of we Indians or people living all over the world. Now we'll see birth rate. Birth rate, it refers to the number of infants born in a given period of time. This is expressed as the number of live births for every 1,000 population in 1 year. More than that, not birth rate remain high in poor countries, but in rich countries the birth rate is low due to improved lifestyle, effective use of contraceptives, high infant mortality or number of infants die at birth or stillborn, and less natural resources used because of less babies born. So birth rate refers to the number of infants born in a given time. This is expressed as number of live births for every thousand. See children, why in today's time birth rate is higher or death rate is lower? Already we know that due to medical facilities and due to effective use of improved lifestyle, effective use of contraceptive, high infant mortality rates, awareness, education. So many factors are there which leads to high birth rate in various in nations all over the world.